Hi, welcome to Telos. In this video we are going to show you how to transfer Telos from a centralized exchange to your Telos EVM address and the other way around. Now let's dive in. The Telos EVM is the most advanced EVM to date and you can try it out today. Direct support is available on several big exchanges like KuCoin, Gate.io or Bitfinex. This makes it possible to transfer Telos from these particular CEXs directly to your Telos EVM address. We are going to explain two options. The first method is to use your Telos EVM address linked to your Telos account. The second method is to use MetaMask. It's possible to add the Telos EVM mainnet. This allows you to send Telos directly from your Telos account or CEX to your Telos EVM address linked to your MetaMask. Before we proceed to the next section, we recommend setting up a Telos account and KuCoin, Gate.io or Bitfinex. Now that you're fully prepared, let's start transferring Telos from a centralized exchange to your Telos EVM address linked to your Telos account. We need to generate a Telos EVM address that will be linked to your Telos account. Open your preferred browser and log into your Telos web wallet using Anchor and sign the login. Tap Telos EVM and on the next page tap Receive. Here you can find the option to generate a Telos EVM address. Proceed by tapping Generate New Address and approve the transaction. Now you've successfully created a Telos EVM address that is linked to your Telos account. Refresh and copy this address to your clipboard by tapping the QR code. Now head over to your Telos supported CEX of choice, and remember, currently this is only possible on KuCoin, Gate.io and Bitfinex. In this video we are going to use KuCoin for both methods. Go to your KuCoin app, log in and go to Assets. Tap Withdraw. Select Telos. And for your network, Telos EVM. Now paste the address you copied earlier in wallet address. Select the amount you want to send to your Telos EVM address. Leave remarks open and tap Withdraw. Enter the verification codes and in a few seconds your Telos will arrive in your web wallet. Head over to your Telos web wallet. There we go, success. Now let's move on to the second method, which uses MetaMask. We need to add the Telos EVM mainnet to MetaMask first. Open the browser within MetaMask and go to chainlist.org. Scroll down and here you can find a search bar. Search for Telos. Here you can find Telos EVM mainnet. Connect with MetaMask. Now select Add to MetaMask. And tap Approve. Select this network in MetaMask and copy the address which is located under the selected network by pressing it. This is the Telos EVM address linked to your MetaMask. Now head over to KuCoin. Go to your KuCoin app, log in and go to Assets. Tap Withdraw. Select Telos. And for your network, Telos EVM. Now paste the address you copied earlier in MetaMask. Select the amount you want to send to your MetaMask's Telos EVM address. Leave remarks open and select Withdraw. Enter the verification process. Head over to your MetaMask. And there we go, success. Follow the next few steps if you want to transfer Telos from MetaMask back to your CEX of choice. Go to KuCoin and instead of selecting Withdraw, we are now going to select Deposit. Here you can find the information you need to use at the Send page in MetaMask. Open the MetaMask app, now paste the KuCoin Telos EVM address. Enter the amount of Telos. Tap Send. And now your Telos will be transferred to KuCoin in a very short period of time. There we go, success. As you may have noticed, it's not actually necessary to create a Telos account if you want to try out the Telos EVM experience. But we highly suggest you grant yourself two options to work with. Why? Well, let me explain. For one, it's possible that your particular CEX temporarily drops Telos EVM deposit support because of maintenance. If that happens, you won't be able to directly send Telos to, for example, KuCoin with MetaMask. A possible workaround is to send Telos to your EVM address linked to your Telos account. Afterwards, you can convert it into native Telos in the Telos web wallet and use the Telos native deposit option in the KuCoin interface. Furthermore, a Telos account will give you access to REX, the Telos staking method. If your Telos is staked to REX, you will also get voting power in on-chain governance matters, like voting for proposals and network validators. If you have questions, check out the support center. The link is displayed on screen. We'd love to see you join our community. You should follow @HelloTelos on Twitter to stay up to date with the latest news. Come check out the Discord server or the Telos subreddit to get advice from Telos insiders or just to hang out. This Telos Foundation video is produced by the people of DutchTelos, the Telos Validator since 2018. If you found this content helpful and you want to support our work, please consider voting for DutchTelos. Thanks for watching.